Okay, also, I'm not gonna mark a spot. I'm gonna see where my team drops and just follow them, okay? Okay, he wants waterfall, let's do it. It's actually, that's not a waterfall. That's nothing. Wait, this guy just wants to drop, like, literally on nothing on this one building there? Is that your play, bro? I don't know if that's it, bro. I'll drop down here. Oh, no. One of us already dead, dude. Looks like it's gonna be Tchoupi and me. Why did they remove voice chat? I know it was, like, some issue with, like, crashes and shit, but, like... Oh, look at this guy. He's shooting a plasma on this distance. Nice. Hello, guys. We got a legit team over there. But we're going with Tchoupi. We are going with Tchoupi. I'll let him guide me. Hey, Tchoupi, there's enemies. Can you hit the shots? Oh, he wants to drop, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's follow him. Let's follow him. We should have some better gear, not gonna lie. Oh, the guys are there to the right. Yeah, he's going straight for the drop, dude. May I have some? Okay, let's go Forge. Looks like my guy wants to drop, wants to push Trinity. Uh-oh, people fighting. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Tchoupi. Does Tchoupi wanna fight or does he not wanna fight? Honestly, I'm just gonna see what he does. Okay, Tchoupi, what's the play? We going in? Uh-oh, I think Tchoupi wants to go in, dude. Okay, Tchoupi. Let's get him, Tchoupi. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Tchoupi attack. Okay, I think they kept going, Tchoupi. Let's go. Tchoupi, don't you think it's time we start, like, forging? Otherwise, they're never gonna have any gear, dude. Okay, Tchoupi doesn't like goblins, so here we are. I didn't get it, man. Oh. No! Oh no, Tchoupi in trouble! Let's help him! He found a robo! Let's go, Tchoupi. You're the best, Tchoupi. There's more people fighting. You wanna go for this? Tchoupi? Henrik. Tchoupi. I think Tchoupi wants the healing totem in the wall. I'm sorry, Tchoupi. Okay, there you go. Good job, good job. Okay, Tchoupi, what's the play? Guys, how do these people play the game, dude? Tchoupi, please. Where are we going next? Okay, looks like Tchoupi wants to rotate to Sentinel? Question mark? Or did he see a drop? He did see a drop on the map. They're probably going here, guys, okay? That's my guess. we are going for the drop, dude. Do you think he knows he can actually get the exact loot that he wants if he goes to a forge? Do you think he found forges here? I think he found the #1 base concept of Realm Royale? I told you guys. I'm going for the fucking drop, dude. Hey, Tchoupi, can I please have the snipe? Thank you very much. Okay, guys, we got a snipe. He didn't want... it's his, isn't it? Didn't he have a snipe? I didn't pay attention, to be honest. Oh, Tchoupi, you found a goblin! Let's go! More loot! We're gonna get so rich here this game, dude. Holy. Go, Tchoupi, the goblin's drowning. Woo! Tchoupi, we did it! I can't take the hammer, what? What next? Are there any drops? I don't see any. Uh-oh. Oh, you think Tchoupi has any other plan? Maybe we're hunting goblins now, guys? Maybe? Could be it. Could be the next go-to strat. Are we actually going to the forge? No way. No shot. I think, guys, I think we're going to the forge. 8 minutes into the game, dude. We're gonna make our first forge happen. Are you kidding me? Yo, he's going in. He knows. Yo, what the fuck? This guy's a god. He found the forge. Dude, he found 3 different forging buttons, dude. This is the smartest 6-year-old Realm Royale gamer of all time. For even Tchoupi, man. You're insane. This guy's a content machine. Look at him. Look at this Tchoupi. Okay, now it's loot time, guys. So 9 minutes. 25 seconds and now it's time to open some normal chests, I think. Uh-oh. He's looking for drops. Uh-oh, there's a drop! Are we gonna go for it? I think we are. We're on the way, guys. I think we're on the way here. Tchoupi? Tchoupi? This is the wrong way. This is not where the drop is. Oh, maybe he's going to the old marker? I'm not sure. What is he doing? Oh, drop on us! Let's go, Tchoupi! Instantly swinging around, dude. Let's go. We're going up. Lonnie and Tchoupi, guys, the dream team. I said we already opened the drop here, exactly. Tchoupi, I don't think we can reach this. This is gonna be hard to reach, Tchoupi. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on up, Tchoupi! We can do this! Use your blink! Oh. Nice try, Tchoupi. You should try that again, Tchoupi. Come on, you can do it. Almost. Try one more time. Come on, Tchoupi. No, don't leave me, Tchoupi! My man, Tchoupi. Can we even get higher? Maybe with Kong and Blink. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I think this is the quest that Tchoupi is tasking me to do here, guys. And I would never go against my Tchoupi. No, we can't do this. This is literally not possible. Sorry, Tchoupi, I failed! I failed, Tchoupi! The next job is looting the waterfall, apparently. This is like questing in World of Warcraft, guys, okay? This is questing. Trying to get a Tchoupi experience here, guys. Uh-oh, he sees it. He sees it. He sees the Zeppelin, guys. I can see him looking at it. Where are we going, Tchoupi? Oh shit, we're going straight down, dude, okay? That sounds like a name for bad helicopter. Tchoupi! Okay, we're going back into the forge. He found more shards, I think, an enemy. Is he gonna find another button? Tchoupi getting pushed! Tchoupi! Are you ready, Tchoupi? Tchoupi is ready, dude. LMG's out! LMG's out! Nice. He already hit the walls. Okay. What's next, Tchoupi? Are we gonna go for the push? Are we gonna go for the fight? Tchoupi. Tchoupi. Tchoupi goes next. Oh my god, he finds a huge stack of loot. This is like finding a loot goblin. But for free, guys. For free. Tchoupi goes through the doorway. No. He's camping the gate, guys. He wants to see if anybody's around. He's ready to shoot him. Blinks over into the building where he last heard the enemy. But he's nowhere to be found. What's Tchoupi gonna go next? In the middle of the zone, in prime position to win this insane match of Realm Royale. Sitting at a whopping 1 kill. Oh, looks like Tchoupi found someone. Tchoupi shooting guy in the distance. But now somebody's in the forge, dude. What is Tchoupi gonna do? Is he gonna react to the guy in the forge? Is he gonna continue shooting this robo? It looks like he's going for the robo shots. Hits a couple there. I saw that. Tchoupi is literally insane. Try some more. Tchoupi. Is Tchoupi gonna go for it? He sees the guy healing behind the bush, maybe? Now Tchoupi is interested in the guy that's nearby in the forge. Switches over to his LMG. He hears the bullets. He hears the fighting, dude. Tchoupi. Choppi's heart is racing. This might be his first victory royale. Goes in with the LMG on long range. Oh shit! Oh no, actual gamers. Oh shit. Oh wait, I gotta play. No, not good. No, not good. Big headshot. I'm fucking dead, dude. These guys can actually play. This is not good. Tchoupi! No! Didn't expect actual gamers, bro. No, Tchoupi! No. Guys, we tried to get the win with Tchoupi, but we didn't. We didn't do it, guys. Applause for Tchoupi, guys. Little applause for Tchoupi. Oh, you see these tryhards, dude? They know how to emote on the mount. These guys are gaming, dude. They are... What day is it? The Tuesday morning realming, guys. Holy shit, dude.